Hello everyone, welcome back to Quick Guide. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can mute and unmute participants on Zoom. For that, first of all, open up Zoom app on your phone. After you open up the app, be sure that you're logged into your account and you have already hosted a meeting. Then at the bottom of your screen there you'll see the option of participants. Tap on it. Here you will see all the participants that are present in your meeting. If you want to mute them individually, tap on their name. A pop-up menu will appear on your screen. Select mute. And if you want to mute all of your participants, at the bottom of your screen there you'll see the option of mute all. Tap on it. After that, select mute all. This way you can mute your participants on Zoom. Now to unmute, tap on their name. After that, select ask to unmute. Now request to unmute message will be sent to the participant. And in this way you can unmute participants on Zoom. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.